Is your Pico VR headset refusing to connect to the internet? It is incredibly frustrating when you are ready to jump into a multiplayer game or download a new title, but your Wi-Fi just won't play ball. Don't worry, I am going to show you exactly how to fix your connection and get back online right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. I am your tech expert friend here to help you solve those annoying wireless glitches in record time. The Pico 4 and Neo 3 rely heavily on a stable connection for almost everything they do. Most Wi-Fi issues happen because of signal interference, incorrect frequency bands, or simple software hangs in the network stack. Let's dive into the fixes. Step 1. Toggle your Wi-Fi off and on. Open your quick settings and switch the Wi-Fi icon off. Wait 5 seconds and turn it back on to force the headset to scan for the network again. Step 2. Restart your headset and your router. This is the classic fix for a reason. A fresh reboot clears out temporary cache files on both devices. That might be blocking the handshake. Step 3. Forget the network and reconnect. Go into your WLAN settings and select Forget on your home network. Re-enter your password carefully to ensure there are no typos or hidden spaces. Step 4. Use a 5 GHz connection. If your router supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, always choose the 5 GHz band. It offers much higher speeds and less interference from other household electronics. Step 5. Move closer to your router. VR headsets have smaller antennas than laptops. If you are more than 15 feet away or behind a thick wall, your Pico might struggle to maintain a stable link. Step 6. Change your router channel. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app on your phone to see if your neighbors are using the same channel. Switch your router to a less crowded channel to improve stability. Step 7. Check the date and time settings. If your Pico has the wrong date or time, security certificates will fail and the internet will not work. Set the time to automatic in your system settings. Step 8. Assign a static IP address. In the advanced Wi-Fi settings of your Pico, change the IP settings from DHCP to static. This prevents the router from constantly reassigning your address and dropping the connection. Step 9. Set your DNS to 8.8.8.8. In the same advanced settings menu, change your DNS server to Google's public DNS. This often bypasses slow or broken servers provided by your internet provider. Step 10. Reset your network settings. If nothing else works, go to System and look for the option to reset network settings. This wipes all saved connections and restores the wireless drivers to their factory state. Here's a pro tip for the best performance. If you are using your Pico for PC VR streaming, disable the Auto Connect feature on all other Wi-Fi networks in your house. This ensures your headset never tries to jump to a slower signal in the middle of a session. If you face any difficulty getting your Pico connected, please leave a comment below. I check them regularly and I will reply to you within 1 hour. If these solutions got you back online, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. You are now ready to head back into the metaverse. I will see you in the next one.